How to contact Brawl Stars Support. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, you can open up any browser you have. Here I'm choosing Google Chrome, and on the search bar you can just search for how to contact Brawl Stars Support. Now just search for it. And here you can see the option. Choose the option of contact form, which is in the second option over here. So just tap on the contact form. Now as you tap on the contact form, it will lead you to this page where you need to accept the cookies. Then you can log in, or you can also continue without login. Then select on the option of contact us and then continue without logging in. Now here you need to select the category of the issue that you have. So just tap on the down arrow. Now here you can select any category of issue that you have. For example, here I am choosing the payment issues. Then you need to tap and mention your player tag or your account name. Then your email address that you've associated with, and then you can type the issue that you majorly have within this application. So you can just type your message over here and then tap on the I'm human button and make sure you fulfill the captcha and submit it. And in a short span of time, the team will contact you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.